Hi there. I recently installed a solar heating system for my pool that I purchased through Solar Pool Supply. And I would like to say that dealing with their customer service was a very positive experience. I dealt with Matt in customer service. He was a great guy. He listened to what I had, made proper recommendations, give me a fair quote. Um, so I purchased all the parts and pieces I needed in a kit, and everything came through within a couple days. It was easy to install. I put it together and had everything done in a day. Wasn't a huge system, but it was very intuitive, very easy to use. Um, so it's a system that I would recommend to friends or anybody that's looking for a solar heating system for their pool. So I give Solar Pool Supply a thumbs up, and anybody that's looking for a solar heating system, talk to Matt. It's a good guy. Thanks. Bye.